If you're looking to buy a home, you'll likely need a buyer's agent to help you through the process, but how do you find the right one? In this video, I'm going to be going over everything that you need to know about hiring yourself a buyer's agent. So what is a buyer's agent and what do they do? A buyer's agent is a licensed real estate professional who represents the buyer in the real estate transaction. Their job is to help you find and purchase a home. They work for you and not the sellers, and their goal is to get you the best possible deal. A buyer's agent can provide you with valuable insight into the local real estate market, help you navigate the home buying process, negotiate on your behalf, and more. They can also help you find properties that match your criteria, schedule viewings, and provide you with information on the neighborhoods that you're interested in. When hiring a buyer's agent, there's a couple things for you to consider. Don't just settle for the first agent you come across. Interview multiple agents to see who you feel comfortable working with. You're going to want to ask about their experience, their plan to help you find your dream home, and what their fees are. Make sure you find an agent who is available when you need them and you can communicate with them in a way that works for you. If you prefer to communicate by text or email, make sure your agent is comfortable with that. And a good buyer's agent should have a thorough understanding of the local real estate market. They should be able to provide you with all the information on neighborhoods that you're interested in, including the schools, transportation, and the local amenities. Once you've hired a buyer's agent, they're going to help you through the home buying process. This is a quick overview of what to expect. Before you start looking for a home, you're going to need to get pre-approved for a mortgage. Your buyer's agent can help you find a lender who is local and guide you through the pre-approval process. Next is finding your dream home. Your buyer's agent will help you find properties that match your criteria. They're going to schedule viewings and provide you with information on the neighborhoods that you're interested in. Once you found your dream home, your buyer's agent will help you make an offer. They will negotiate on your behalf and make sure that you get the best possible deal. Now, after your offer is accepted, you're going to need to have a home inspection. Your buyer's agent can help you find a local reputable inspector. Finally, closing day, your agent will guide you through the closing process. They're going to make sure that all the paperwork is in order and that everything goes smoothly so there's no surprises, good or bad. Buyer's agents are typically paid a percentage of the sales price on the home that you purchase. The seller typically pays the agent's commission, so make sure that you understand your buyer's agent fees and how they will be paid before you sign any sort of contracts. Hiring a buyer's agent is a valuable asset when you're buying a home. Remember, buying a home is a big decision and it's a pretty complex process, so having the right agent by your side can make all the difference. So take your time, do your research, and choose a buyer's agent that you feel comfortable with and who has your best interest in mind. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody who might be searching for a buyer's agent. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.